would like to say that I've dealt with MTE for the past couple of years, and they've given me the best service between my sales rep and all the guys back at the shop and Jacobsen that you could ask for.
I've been dealing with MTE since MTE's inception, had nothing but good luck. Products have always been first class, but more than anything, the service after the sale has been even better.
At MTE, we don't want to be just another supplier. We strive to offer new and innovative solutions to make the job of any turf maintenance professional as easy as possible. Many aspects of the turf and grounds maintenance industry in the Northeast are unpredictable, but your dealer doesn't have to be. At MTE, we don't sell equipment, we provide solutions. Call us today and see what we can do for you.